Bàbá olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì. Tántọ́lọ́run, Bàbá olóyin nǹkan, Bàbá olóyin original. I am staying at Iyesi Ọ̀tà, Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ọ̀tà, very close to Sango Ọ̀tà in Ogun State. The program you are watching today is from Kenny Show TV. Kenny Show TV. And the phone number is on the screen. It's 0810-8431-336. 0810-8431-336. You can also reach me on another number. 08054749455. 08054749455. Today I want to give you another secret. Original native man power that it doesn't get adverse effect. Yes, natural one. Do you know that thing, sex is important in your marriage? Yes. You're a man. Don't lose your wife in the hands of young boys in the area. What you can do to make you a man, to be a man. You heard the story of millionaires losing their wives to driver. I don't pray for you. I don't pray that kind of thing for you. What are you going to do? Just small thing. Get seated. Get seated. I will give you just small thing you can be doing so that you will be man all the time. When you go to customary court, most of the things that normally cause problems between husband and wife is sex. Because when man is not capable again, or when you come back, you always complain of go slow of Ojuelegba, go slow of Iyana-Ipaja, go slow of Adatan to Lafenwa. And some women will not like to keep it. They will find how to know how to add 1 plus 2 to make it 3. Get seated. I will give you the secret of the game. Before then, don't forget, I'm a publisher. I publish many books. I publish honey as a medicine. How to use honey. For rheumatism, for diabetes, for hypertension, for back pain. How to use honey. It's in honey as a medicine book. Those of you that bought 50 ways of use honey, I added another 20 ways of honey to make it 70 ways of use honey. But the new title now is Honey as a Medicine. The book has been selling since 2015. When I published 50 ways of honey in 1999, those who bought it, when I released Honey as a Medicine, they rush it. Even it's one of the books that is selling fast among my books now. Honey as a Medicine book. This is the book for you. We talk of only honey. How to use honey. Yes. Because some people, they say they don't want to use herbs and leaves. The only 2 places I mention leaves is the only where I mention jute leaves, ewedu, and bitter leaves, ewewuro, which you can see in your area, which are common all over the world. Later, I published African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and African Power Part 3 is my latest book. Don't forget, after publishing Honey as a Medicine, I have Solution to Woman Problems book. I have Healing Power of Honey. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Or better still, come to Baba Oloyin bus stop Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. I have branches in Lagos State. You can get my products at number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin. At Bariga, go to number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Egbe, go and see Yamubo. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. Very close to Ikotun Egbe. Now back to what I earlier said. See these things. Unripe plantain. Unripe plantain. It can do wonders in your life. It can help you fix your marriage. You, as a woman, if your husband is not very okay and he doesn't get pie, maybe has used pie, you can help in assisting your husband by buying these products at least once in a while. You know these things. If you can get some of these things, you fried it. A man is eating it with soup or can eat it ordinarily. It will help to boost your libido. Yes, this is natural Viagra. Yes, you can cook it and eat it. You can cook unripe plantain. Cook and serve with your soup or pepper. You prepare special pepper soup. You eat with it. You know some people, they used to eat bole atepa, that is unripe plantain and groundnut. They normally say that when you eat unripe plantain with groundnut, it will help you to be strong. Groundnut has nothing to do with it. It is just to make this one to be sweet. You know this one is yet to ripe. It's unripe. When you are eating it, you won't like the taste. But when you want to eat it, you had with groundnut, it will sweet in your mouth. That's why some people are eating bole atepa. That is unripe plantain. When they roast it, they will eat with groundnut. If a man, you want to buy this thing along the road, very close to your office, if you need this for manpower, don't buy the one that has been ripe. Don't buy ripe plantain. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó ti pọ́n kò lè ṣiṣẹ́. If it is your own mission, if it is your own aim to buy it and do it at home, you will get disappointed. You will be disappointed. You will be disappointed. If you want to use it for manpower, you get the unripe bole. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ò pọ́n, the one that is not yet ripe. Yes, you get it, you can eat with groundnut. That if it is in your house, your wife can help you to prepare it once in a while. You prepare it, you eat it. They can fry it for you. You put it in a cooler. You can carry it to office. You carry it to office and eat it. Don't allow small boys in area to be driving your own wife. Yes. Fridge operators, fridge repairer, radio ninki, okada man. Don't allow them to be driving your wife. Yes. Do it by yourself. Some people, the driver will be driving the wife in the afternoon and the midnight. Yes. Don't allow that thing to happen to your marriage. Some people, they don't take care of themselves like this. And want to sack your driver, your wife will be pleading. And when will you get another driver? When will you get another driver like Baba Fali? Maybe your driver is doing extra job for the wife. You don't know. Do not say I told you. I am here to advise you. I am here to advise you. Be strong as a man. Don't complain of tiredness every time. If it is your wife that happen to tell you, I'm not in the mood, I'm sick, I'm weak, accept. But when she's not sick, she's all right, and she's not feeling fine with you, she complains, she's not happy with you, you know that she needs this thing. And give her local injection. Do not say I told you. I am here today to tell you, if you go to customary court, You see what is happening there. What is happening? The complaint is mostly on sex issues. Get this one on red plantains. Keep it in your house. Once it is ripe, allow your children and wife to be eating those ones. I was telling a man last week, he received a call from his wife at home. He wanted to prepare food. Say, hey, me prepare dodo. I told the man, with your age, you don't need dodo. You don't need fried red plantain to be prepared for you. He said, what does he need? He said, look, you need this one. And he was happy with me. If you eat this thing for 3 days, you won't get yourself again. If you don't have wife at home, don't try it. This local Viagra. You eat it in the morning, you eat it in the afternoon, in the night. Second day, you repeat. The third day, this thing will do like this for you. Go and try it. Then if you want to prepare it as water lotion, you can get some quantities like 5 of these pieces. Cut them to pieces. Remove the skin. Cut them to pieces. Put it in 5 liters keg of water. 5 liter keg. Add clean water on it. Cover it very well. The second day, begin to drink as normal water after your food. You drink in the morning, you drink in the afternoon. If you are not at home at afternoon, don't worry. You can do it in the morning and night. When you are drinking it, it will just taste as palm wine. It will taste like palm wine in your mouth. You drink it in the morning, and before you sleep, you drink it. After 3 days, this thing will wake you up. Yes. But some people will not do this. They'll be looking for capsule. So when they want to do appointment, they are ready to swallow capsule. And if you do use capsule too much, after some time, the capsule may not work for you again. It may not work again. And sometimes when you use too much capsule, you can get stroke. Yes. But when you use natural thing, you are all right. You are all right. See, those who bought my book, African Power Part 1, they are doing this for me because I put it in the book. Yes. Before I go, don't forget I'm the purpose of African Power Part 1. You need breast enlargement, penis enlargement. It's here. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to find it. Your love will shine. People will find you. It's here. African Power Part 1. And this is African Power Part 2. You always collect spiritual products from herbalists, pastors, prophetess. It don't work for you. It's working for other people. This is the book for you. African Power Part 2. Or you have a soap that has been working, but it stopped working. Buy African Power Part 2 and see what you will put on the soap to make the soap to start working again. African Power Part 3 is the latest book. You have a son or daughter that is smoking wee-wee, smoking, drinking drugs. It's giving you shame in the area. It's giving you bad name. This is the book for you. How to use water. How to pray on water. The type of prayer you will read on water is here. African Power Part 3. Python head. Anywhere the python sits, the food normally may teach there. How to use python head. How to use python head so that you see money. You're a big contractor. This is the book for you. African Power Part 3. Olugbon Wajagbon. You are a prophet, prophetess, herbalist, spiritualist. You have to bury where you normally attend to customers. So that anything you give them will be working for them. How to do it? Olugbon Wajagbon. How to do it is here. Try it. About python head. Whenever you want to buy the python head, make sure it's the one that gets complete eyes, tongue. Don't buy any python head that they put stick. They must put something like tail, a share, and that's command. Any python head you want to buy from herb seller, make sure the one that get command, that get tongue, something like a tail. That is the command he used to draw animals. Any animal he like to eat, he will come and meet the python wherever he sits. So if they buy any python for you, python head for you, somebody just open eyes like, hey, he open mouth like this, no tongue, no command tail. If you use that, it will not work for you. And you have a certain day to take your bath with it, to take your bait with it. The date is here. And one thing you have to that python head with the soap. If you don't have that one, it may not work for you. That thing they are selling it in the market, you can see it in your compound. It's common all over the world. Yes, that thing you had to the python head. Those who practice it, who use it, they bought Patiri before. They are not buying. They have started buying other books that I published before. Somebody came to my house and said, "It's the one of python head, the book I want to buy first. When I get money, I will come and buy the rest." He bought the book. When he reached house, he called me for more explanation on WhatsApp. I told him this how to do it. Second day, he did it. The following week, he came again to buy all the books. He said, "Because I've seen money." Orí ẹranko ló lò kí sórí èèyàn má kó rẹ̀ sí wàhálà. Ọgbọ́n bẹ èèyàn wà. African Power Part 3. Ọbẹ̀ ni o. Secret ni o. That yourself is very expensive. This African Power Part 1, 5,000 naira. Only as a medicine book, 5,000 naira. African Power Part 1, 5,000 naira. I repeat. African Power Part 2, 10,000 naira. African Power Part 2, 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. And this African Power Part 3, latest book, African Power Part 3, 20,000 naira. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Olúwa gbọ́ ó sì dá mi lóhùn. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Olúwa gbọ́ ó sì dá mi lóhùn. Èmi ni mo mọ̀rọ̀ tí mo b'Olúwa sọ. Yes. If you like today's program, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have never subscribed. Share among friends and relatives. Share this program to your friends to tell them not to lose their wives. Not to lose their wives. You bought a car for your wife, it's not enough. You bought a house for your wife, it's not enough. You must do this as well. A big secret. I am telling you today again. A word is enough for the wise. Share to your friends. That Baba Oloyin, ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ lónìí. I deliberately put this video on Saturday so that when you share to your friends, they will be able to watch it Saturday and Sunday. Yes. Some people are sleeping now in other countries. When they wake up, they will see this video. Go to overseas country. It's one of the things that is causing problems among husband and wives. Yes. Ìyàwó tó lọ mọ́ alátòǹdó. Ó mú lọ sí overseas. Ó jájúmọ́ olówó. Yes. Yes. Ó dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ náà gbọ́dọ̀ kó anyhow. Àbí ọba tó fi àjí ọjọ́ gba dúkìá rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Yes. Ẹni tó bá létí kó gbọ́ o. Ẹni bá létí kó gbọ́ o. The word is enough for the wise. If you like today's program, you can watch me on my other channel. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adewusi. Go and watch it to see me there as well. Follow me on TikTok. I loaded many videos there as well. TikTok. Instagram, you see me there. On Facebook, you see Baba Oloyin Original there. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.